In this video, I'll talk about 5 surprising health benefits of cinnamon and how it contributes to our overall health. Cinnamon is an unbelievably delicious spice. It has been prized for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Cinnamon is a spice that is made from the inner bark of trees, scientifically known as cinnamomum. There are two types of cinnamon available in the market: Ceylon and Cassia cinnamon. Ceylon has more antioxidants and more beneficial than Cassia cinnamon. Here are the top health benefits of cinnamon that are supported by scientific research. 1. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants. Cinnamon contains large amounts of highly potent polyphenol antioxidants. In a study that compared the antioxidant activity of 26 spices, cinnamon is the clear winner, even outranking superfoods like garlic and oregano. Cinnamon can be used as natural food preservative. 2. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is incredibly important. It helps your body fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, inflammation can become a problem when it is chronic and directed against your body's own tissues. Cinnamon may be useful in this regard. Studies show that this spice and its antioxidants have potent anti-inflammatory properties. 3. Cinnamon may cut the risk of heart disease. Cinnamon has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, the world's most common cause of premature death. In people with type 2 diabetes, 1 gram or about half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day has been shown to have beneficial effects on blood markers. It reduces levels of total cholesterol LDL, which is a bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while HDL, which is a good cholesterol, remains stable. 4. Cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels. Apart from beneficial effects on insulin resistance, cinnamon can lower blood sugar by several other mechanisms. First, cinnamon has been shown to decrease the amount of glucose that enters your bloodstream after a meal. It does this by interfering with numerous digestive enzymes, which slows the breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract. Second, a compound in cinnamon can act on cells by mimicking insulin. This greatly improves glucose uptake by your cells, though it acts much slower than insulin itself. 5. Cinnamon may protect against cancer. Cinnamon acts by reducing the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors and appears to be toxic to cancer cells, causing cell death. At the end of the day, cinnamon is one of the most delicious and healthiest spices on the planet. It can lower blood sugar levels, reduce heart disease risk factors, and has a plethora of other impressive health benefits. Just make sure to get Ceylon cinnamon or stick to small doses if you are using Cassia variety. Thank you for listening. If you like our video, please click on the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. Again, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and let us know your suggestions in the comments below. Thank you.